On July 13, 1863, the four-day New York City draft riots begin in Lower Manhattan. But what caused these riots? And who was involved? Also, how were the riots stopped? 2 years into the American Civil War, many Irish and other working-class New Yorkers resented the fact that the Enrollment Act of 1863 required men ages 20 to 45 to register for the military draft, while wealthy Americans could avoid military service by paying a $300 fee and hiring a substitute. At the time, $300 was more than the average laborer's annual wage. This law, along with deep economic and racial tensions, triggered violent protests known as the New York City Draft Riots. The violence devolved, in part, into a race riot against blacks, who were ineligible for the draft. Irish immigrants also feared that once freed from slavery, more blacks would migrate north and take their jobs. U.S. President Abraham Lincoln was forced to divert Union troops to New York City to help regain order. Those same troops had just fought at the Battle of Gettysburg 10 days earlier. Here are other events that happened today in history. In 1787, Congress enacts the Northwest Ordinance, establishing how new states can be added to the U.S. In 1793, during the French Revolution, outspoken journalist Jean-Paul Marat is stabbed in his bath. In 1930, the first ever FIFA World Cup begins with matches in Montevideo, capital of host nation Uruguay. In 1943, during the Battle of Kursk, the Soviets and Germans face off in one of the largest ever tank battles. In 1985, Live Aid is staged in Philadelphia and London to a worldwide TV audience of 1.9 billion people. In 2013, the term Black Lives Matter is coined in a Facebook post about the Trayvon Martin shooting. In 2024, former US President Donald Trump survives an assassination attempt at a rally in Pennsylvania. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. Which nation issued a famous 1963 public rebuke of the Soviet Union for its handling of the Cuban Missile Crisis? The United Kingdom, China, Australia, or Saudi Arabia? Liked learning about the Civil War's New York City draft riots? Then you'll love this one about Robert E. Lee's surrender at Appomattox. Tap the screen to keep the story going on Today in History.